Hello everyone, friends. This is Vela here. Today I'll show how to transfer Robux to friends or to another account. For this, open your browser, go to Roblox to the Roblox website. Click the Create button. Here we select our published place, any published location. If you don't have one, click Create Place. Now click on the three dots and select Open in New Window. Next we need to create passes and a specific pass here. I already have a pass. Click Create Pass, choose a name and add a description. Then go back, click the three dots, select Open in New Window, and here you can put items for sale, yes, or create developer items. For example, create a developer item and set a price. Click Save Changes. To make these dots active, you need to click here. Click and we've created it, yes. Now let's go back to Roblox. To do this, click View in Roblox, yes. Then share the link with your friend. There. Oh, it's not opening for some reason. Well, let's say it opened now. Click on Store. Here's the pass we created. Here's the store, and here's the pass. Tell your friend or whoever needs it to buy it. That's it, and that's all. This was Velar with you. Goodbye, everyone.